like multiple ways, and it has pockets. Does it has both? But I love it. So I'm gonna wear them because I want to. I'm gonna add this scrunchie on top of my bun. Sure. Open. नहीं नहीं नहीं, किसी नहीं चाहिए, मेकअप छूट जाएगा माँ। जब मांगती हो तब तो तुम किसी नहीं देते हो। What's up cuties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the first time, then welcome to my channel. This is me Nidhi and I make videos related to fashion and beauty, and if you like those kind of videos, then you gotta subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you get the notification every time I upload a video. And if you're not following me on Instagram, this is my handler, you go there and follow me there as well. And for today's video I have something very trendy, like it's all over the Instagram and I think everybody has it almost. So it's a white maxi skirt. Yes, you heard it right. And I think अभी तक तो सबने खरीद भी ली होगी because it's trending so much. ऐसे बाढ़ सी आई थी white maxi skirts ki, and everybody were styling them, wearing them, and yeah, so I also bought it. And so I was thinking chalo ek video banate hain jisme I'll style it multiple ways. So I'll try my best to do as much as possible because yeah, I don't want to make this video very lengthy. So yeah, I'm gonna style a white maxi skirt multiple ways, and I'm gonna include everything like shirts, tops, like what all the options these days which are trending. I'm gonna include them all, and जो मेरे पास है पहले से मैं उसी को यूज़ करके ही बनाने वाली हूँ. I'm not gonna buy anything else, and I haven't shopped for a while. So I think it's been 2-3 months. मैंने बिल्कुल शॉपिंग नहीं करी, बिल्कुल भी. जस्ट माई स्किन केयर विच इज़ माई लाइक मंथली थिंग टू शॉप. तो बस मैंने वही खरीदा है. तो जो मेरे पास है आई एम गोना स्टाइल दोज pieces with this white maxi skirt, and I'm gonna change the camera angle a little bit so you can see it properly. And yeah, चलो शुरू करते हैं. So for the very first option, I'm gonna pair this button down blue shirt, and this is the skirt we're gonna be styling for the whole video for like multiple ways. And it has pockets. Damn, does it has both? Yes, it has both side pockets. I just discovered this. Amazing. Okay, so the skirt is from West Side and the shirt is from Zara, very old. So I'm gonna be styling these two pieces together. Okay, so the shirt is on and I'm gonna fold it, just very random. So I'm gonna tie my scarf as a belt, for which I have this orange one. I got this one from Goa long back. Now I'm gonna just fold it like this, and in this scarf there is blue and green and a little bit of orange, which I think is a perfect combination. And I have these buttons open, so this will be like this. And this shirt is perfect because it has this U-cut nose, so I can easily put my hands in pocket and no fuzz, nothing. And let's accessorize this a little bit more. So I'm gonna change my earrings to these very chunky hoop earrings which I got from H&M long back. Again, it's very old. As you can see the wrapper, I keep my earrings like this, so पूरा रैपर रखने की बजाय मैं ना उतना पीस निकाल लेती हूँ जितना की ज़रूरत है. So it takes less space in my box. I think you can never go wrong with boots, like kuch bhi outfit pehna, even traditional sometimes. And I'm gonna do my usual rings, which are these two. I don't have a lot of bracelet or rings, but these days I am quite enjoying wearing them, so I need to get more. I'm gonna do my usual stack. Okay, so for shoes and the bag, I think these will look better together because they are exactly same shade of brown, and I think it will go with the orange of the scarf as well. So I'm gonna wear these. Yes, I think, yeah, this looks very good, and I think this will look perfect with the whole outfit vibe. Okay, so for the next outfit, I have this beautiful dyed t-shirt from Zara. It's oversized and it's perfect, and it has a little graphic going on at the back. And with this one, I'm gonna keep this stack for throughout the video, like everything. And for the earring, I'm gonna change into more tiny ones. I have these. Oh my God, what happened? Yes. So I have these square ones, and I got them from Paris. It's anti-tarnish, and it's very pretty. It was just for €2, very affordable, like cheaper than India. So yeah, I just got them. So yeah, this is this, and I think I'm gonna put a belt. Let me check. For the belt, I found this gold chain belt which I got from Forever 21 for, like, I don't know, for it was for I think 5 or 600 rupees. It was quite cheap, so I got it. And plus I think I really like the long chain one, chain detail, because I can adjust it अगर मुझे बहुत टाइट पहनना है या लूज पहनना है, so I can adjust according to my waist size. And this hanging detail is what I love about this one. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like this. So far I love it. For the shoes, I think I'm gonna do these mesh ballets from Zara. It's very trendy and they look very pretty. See, very pretty. And for the bag, I would really want to carry this tote bag because I want to make this look very comfortable. And if you are running errand also, like, this will be perfect outfit. You have a big bag, you can go around the city, you can go shopping, you can go to coffee or anything. Yeah, I love this look. Oh, I just want to go somewhere so I can wear this. Most probably मैं next time कहीं बाहर गई तो मैं पक्का यही पहनने वाली हूँ. I'm pretty sure because I really love this. Okay, so for the third one, I have this very pretty waistcoat which is from Zara, and it has silver. It has silver buttons. These are very pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna style this. So this is the same. My rings are same, and I'm gonna keep the same earrings as well. And for the shoes and bag, so I'm gonna give it a very holiday wala feel to this look. For the shoes, I'm gonna use these black Mary Janes because I think they will be a perfect fit for the outfit. Okay, so I have the shoes on, and for the bag, I'm gonna keep this jute bag to give it a little holiday vibe. So yeah, I think this is very cute. And if you're heading out, you can add sunnies as we are talking about a holiday look, so I think these are the must. So I'm gonna wear them. If you want, you can tie your hair, but I'm not gonna tie them because they look better like this. So yeah, this is the third look. Okay, so for the next look, I have this polo t-shirt. It's again from Zara. It's very soft, but it's a little bit wool wala material. So yeah, like thoda sa garam hai. And this time I'm gonna tie my hair into a bun because I want to. So I'm gonna keep the bun very messy. So just gonna roll and tie them like how usually we do it. So you don't have to be like very perfect and all. And I'm gonna add this scrunchie on top of my bun because this looks, I think it's a very good color combo. So I'm gonna put this on. So this is how it looks. And for the shoes, I'm gonna keep my black Mary Janes only because they will look perfect with this look. That's why I told you that they are very trendy and they are very useful this season because they literally go with everything and anything. You don't have to think too much. Sure. Open. नहीं नहीं नहीं, किसी नहीं चाहिए. मेकअप छूट जाएगा माँ. जब मांगती हो तब तो तुम किसी नहीं देते हो. Okay, so for the bag, I'm gonna keep this black chodu bag, and if you have a hobo bag, then I think that will be perfect. I don't have it, so I'm gonna keep this. So I'm gonna take my sunnies, and yeah, this is the look. You can easily carry this look if you're going shopping or anything. These looks are mostly like holiday looks. You can go shopping, you're going for outing or brunch or something like that, then you can wear these looks. They look very pretty, very cute. Okay, he has decided to land here and not move. Okay, so for the last look, I have this sporty t-shirt which I got from Zudio. So this is also from boys section. A little oversized. If you can go a little more oversized, then I think it will be better. So let's make this one a little sporty with this pretty t-shirt. So I have tucked this part right here, and I have kept the button open and again the deep neck. So I have only one button on. So yeah, if you're comfortable doing that, then I think it's perfect. And I need a little hairband which I don't have. So I have this scarf which I'm gonna turn into a headband, and I'm gonna tie it at the back. And for the earrings, I have very tiny hoops in silver color. So this time I'm gonna do a mixed metal, so little silver, little gold. So these are in silver tone. I'm gonna wear them. So the earrings are on, and I'm gonna do some necklaces as well. So this is a rhinestone necklace which I got from H&M. सब बहुत पुराने हैं, so I can't give you any link. So I'm gonna do this and one gold chunky chain. So this was like this. This is more like a choker, but I'm tying it very loose, so as loose as possible. Next I'm gonna do this one because It's very pretty and I think even if it turns silver also तभी मैं इसको पहनने वाली हूँ because yeah, why not. And with this I'm gonna wear these socks which has blue stripes, so yeah, it will balance the whole fit. And I'm gonna wear white shoes. And for the bag, I think I have this little matching situation going on, so I'm gonna keep this for this look. Oh, I love this. This is my most favorite look from the whole video. I'm gonna do my sunnies. I think if your style is a straight style, then I think this is the perfect look for you, and I love this. I love this so much. I need to go somewhere to wear this. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite look, which one was your favorite from the video. So yeah, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.